Hi TinkerTankers, this is Yulia. I'm the founder of TinkerTank and homeschooling mom of 3. I just thought I'd take a minute today to maybe show you a little bit about how we set up our workspaces and talk a little bit about, expectations during this time, because I think sometimes they're a little too high. Anyway, let's go check out what my kids' rooms look like. Real quick sneak peek. Now, a lot of parents in general freaking out right now because their kids are just online schooling is just a little too much. So I'm hoping that Australia will learn from that, and that we'll maybe split up the time to half-day sessions and maybe lower the amount of time in front of that computer. As I said before, it's all about patience and really being flexible and, picking your battles, because this time, as I said previously, is an opportunity to connect, and you really don't want to fight during this time. It's a time to really be with your kids, get to know them, and help them if they're stuck on something. So it's a bit of a mess. Just cleaning up all our stuff and reorganizing the space while we can. Setting up for TinkerTank Studios here. Over here we're reorganizing all the Lego. And our beautiful resin printer is going to be put to the test. We're going to start doing some medical grade resin printing for the hospital here.